Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Barbie Beekeeper. We found this online at Mattel.com for $20.99. There were two options, Barbie and Nikki, and it is for ages 3 and up. You know, bees are very important for the environment. Ah! Bees! On the back of the box, there is a picture of the doll and playset. Dolls cannot stand alone. Colors and decorations may vary. Over here, there is a little information about beekeepers. Make the world a sweeter place with Barbie. Beekeepers maintain bee colonies in hives where bees make honey. Bees also produce beeswax, which is used for candles, lotions, and even waxing surfboards.
Yeah!
Beekeeper colonies can be used by farmers to pollinate fruit and vegetable crops. Do you love nature too? You can be a beekeeper just like Barbie. You can be anything. At the very bottom, there are some simple instructions that show you how to use the playset. Wow! Barbie has over 180 careers! Now I'm trying to think of a job that Barbie hasn't done yet. Has she ever been a car salesman? Or a farrier? Or the people who sell cell phones? Those are my favorite people. While Sophie is over there trying to figure that out, let's get this out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, some light assembly is required. This should go right here, and it should just snap into place. The Beehive is a seafoam green with little sculpted bees on the side and a tiny little hive right there. On the back, there is a drawer where you can place the tiny bees inside of the hive. There are 4 loose bees included. They have little pegs underneath, so you can place them around the hive. On the side, there is a little wheel, so you can make it look like the bees are moving inside of the hive. Whee! You can pull the honeycomb out. There is a planter filled with flowers, so the bees don't have to travel far. Since this is a job, she needs to be able to make money. So there is a cash register and little bear bottles of honey. You get 2, and these are so cute. They have the little peg on the bottom so they can stay on the counter. Then when the dolls buy the honey, thank you very much, it can fit on their table at home. Mom, keep the waffles coming. The included doll comes ready to tackle the job. She has a beekeeper's hat with a net that goes all the way around. She has on a white long-sleeve top with yellow trim. There are little bees printed all over it. White gloves. She has on stretched jeans with an elastic waistband and brown boots. Those boots are pretty nice. They remind me of Timberlands. I'll be borrowing those. And the jeans too. Even though the box says that the dolls can't stand on their own, if you're on a flat surface, you can get them to balance. My favorite part about this whole playset is the little bottles of honey and the shoes. I know, that's bad. But I think the hive will look great in our doll garden. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Barbie Beekeeper. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.